Hey students, it's Mrs. Nice. I wanted to give you some tips for watching the crash course videos because John Green speaks very quickly. So some things you can do when you watch the video. Number one, I highly suggest you turn on closed captioning right here. And what this will do is as he speaks, it will type what he's saying. So if I start the video and I turn it on, there you go. You could see that a transcript of what he said is there. The other tip I have for you, since John Green speaks so quickly, you might want to slow down the speed of the video. To do that, you just go to this little settings gear and then you go to playback speed. And I would suggest that you turn it to 75% of normal speed. And then it's just a little bit slower, as you could hear right now.
Riveting history books you'll ever read. The Columbian Exchange.
So that slows it down if he's moving too quickly for you. Also, remember, since you're watching this from home, you can pause the video and rewind it as many times as you need to find the answers. Again, I don't really want these questions to take you that long. I'm hoping this assignment takes no more than maybe like 15 or 20 minutes. So use these tips to help you with watching the video so that it's not going too fast for you. Hopefully this helps. Bye.